Sa pagdi-divide ng monomial na may parehas na base katulad nito, x raised to 10 divided by x cubed. Ang base nila ay parehas x. Kokopyahin lang natin yung base na yon. And then, we have to subtract their exponent. So, 10, yung nasa taas, minus the denominator, 3. So, when you subtract 10 minus 3, it will give you 7. So, your answer will be x raised to 7. Paano naman kapag may numerical coefficient? So, kailangan nyo lang silang i-simplify or i-divide. So, 12 divided by 3, that's 4. Then, a raised to 5 over a raised to 2, parehas ng base. Kopyahin lang natin yung base, which is a. And then, subtract their exponent. So, 5 minus 2. Kopyahin lang natin ulit. So, 4. And then, the base is a. And 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, we got 4a cubed. Next, paano kapag ganito? So, we have a raised to 8, b squared, c raised to 9, over a cubed, b raised to 5, and c raised to 7. So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin, kopyahin yung base, and then pag-subtract yung exponent ng parehas na base. Halimbawa, sa a, subtract lang natin 8 minus 3. Then, sa b naman, copy lang yung base, and then 2 minus 5. So, laging mauuna yung numerator bago yung denominator. And for the variable c, we have to subtract 9 minus 7. Now, let's subtract. So, for a, we'll have 8 minus 3, and that is 5. So, a raised to 5. Then b, we have 2 minus 5. Kung makikita nyo, itong 2 minus 5, ang magiging resulta niya ay negative. So, 2 minus 5 is negative 3 because we have to copy the sign from 5. It means that negative yung magiging exponent niya. So, kapag ganun, kapag negative yung naging exponent ng variable, ilalagay mo siya sa denominator para mawala yung negative sign. So, magiging b raised to 3. Dito siya may iwan sa denominator. Then, continue natin yung c naman. 9 minus 7, that's positive 2. So, dito rin siya sa taas kasama ng a. Alright, so ang sagot natin ay a raised to 5 c squared over b cubed. Next, paano naman kapag binomial? So, merong plus sign sa gitna. Since monomial naman yung denominator, kailangan lang nating i-divide yung bawat term sa 2x. So, paghiwalayin lang natin. Kopyahin natin itong 6x raised to 5, then over 2x. Parehas natin silang lalagyan ng 2x. Then, copy the plus sign in the middle, this one. Then, ito naman dalawa. So, we have 4x cubed over 2x ulit. I-divide natin yung dalawang terms sa 2x. Now, let's divide. So, unahin natin itong 6 and 2. 6 divided by 2, that's 3. Then, sa variable x, copy lang natin yung variable and then subtract their exponent. So, 5 and then raised to 1. Kapag wala kayo nakikitang exponent, ibig sabihin raised to 1 yun. So, 5 minus 1, that's 4. Then, copy the plus sign. Divide ulit or simplify. 4 divided by 2, that's 2. Copy the variable x. Subtract their exponent. So, raised to 1 ulit yan. 3 minus 1, that's 2. So, the answer is 3x raised to 4 plus 2x squared. Paano naman kapag trinomial divided by a monomial? Ganun ulit yung gagawin natin. Bawat isang term sa numerator, i-divide natin sa monomial na 3x squared. So, copy lang natin 21. Then, x raised to 4 over this monomial, 3x squared. Then, copy the sign, minus. Then, 15 and 3, copy 15x cubed over 3x squared again. Then, continue, copy the plus sign. Then, ito naman, 3x squared over 3x squared. Now, let us simplify. So, magsimula tayo dito sa unang term. 21 divided by 3. That's 7. And copy the variable x and subtract their exponent. 4 and 2. 4 minus 2, that's 2. Alright, next. Copy the minus sign. 15 divided by 3, that's 5. Copy the variable and then subtract 3 minus 2, that will be equal to 1. Sulat pa rin natin, ha? Later, i-remove naman natin yan. Then, copy the plus sign. Alright? Then, 3 divided by 3, that's 1. And then, x, copy. Then, subtract their exponent, 2 minus 2, that's 0. Now, i-rewrite natin yung answer. So, copy lang tong 7x squared. And then, minus 5x raised to 1. Yung raised to 1 sa algebra ay hindi na natin sinusulat. So, 5x na lang siya. Then, plus, etong x raised to 0 mawawala na yan. Kasi nga, 0 na, wala ng x. So, ang matitira na lang dyan ay yung 1. So, yung answer natin ay 7x squared minus 5x plus 1.